You are trying to upgrade to Windows 11 version 26H1, but for some reasons, you're stuck on the older version. I have a solution for you. If you go to the Microsoft website, you can see here that the current release for Windows 11 has the maximum version of 25H2. That means if you want to install the ISO file or the media creation tool, version 25H2 is the most current version you can get. But how do we solve this issue? Open a new browser, and here you want to search UUP dump. Tap on enter. Click on this one right here. Our main concern is the Windows 11. Click on this to expand it. And here we can see we have from 21H2 all the way to 26H1. Select this one. This is where you get to choose your architecture. If you're using AMD or Intel, you can go for this Windows 11 version, AMD 64. Click on that. So here you can choose your language. I'm going to maintain English United States. Click next. Here we have all the edition. The one we're going to go for is the Windows Pro. Uncheck this Windows Home. Click next. So by default, it should be on download and convert to ISO. Ensure this one is selected. Then go down here to conversion options. So it's advisable to uncheck this. If you choose include update, it will take more time. It might cause some defect during the installation. So leave it this way. Go down here, then click create download package. Now navigate to the file location. Now extract the zip file we just downloaded. Right click on it and choose extract all. Click on extract. So these are the files we just extracted, and of all the options we have here, run the UPP download Windows CMD. Highlight on it, right click on it, then run as administrator. Click on run. Choose yes if you get any notification. We have options here, D for do not run, R for run once, S for suspend, question mark. To run this, press R on your keyboard. Tap enter. Now, it's in the process of creating the required ISO file. Don't close the command prompt while it's running. Feel free to use your PC while waiting. This process should take about 20 to 40 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Now it's finished. Press 0 or Q to continue. Now go back to the directory that we extracted earlier. Then you should see the ISO file already at the top here. Now first of all, you can actually delete everything else except the ISO file. Okay, just to leave some space, you can delete all these. Now we have only the ISO file left. Now you can mount the ISO file if you choose to upgrade your existing Windows version, especially if you intend to keep existing data, or you can use it to create bootable USB with Rufus. This will allow you to install this Windows version on other PCs. Also, you can use it to run Windows on your virtual machine like VMware or VirtualBox. So that's it. Subscribe and drop a like if you find this helpful. Bye for now.